show you in Classroom how you can create a quiz assignment. We're back in my demo classroom and we're in the classroom section of my demo classroom. I'm going to go to my blue create button and I'm going to choose quiz assignment. It's going to bring up a box that gives me a lot of options for creating that quiz assignment. You'll notice that it looks just like an assignment, except it actually added a blank quiz created in Google Forms. Once again, I can change what classroom I want to assign this to, so I can add multiple classes, and I can also differentiate for my students as well. The title of this one is just going to be, this is just a general knowledge quiz. And I can add instructions if I want to. I can give it a point value. I can give it a due date. So let's go ahead and make this due tomorrow. And I can decide what section or topic that I want to put it under. I actually created a topic for assessments, so I'll add this to my assessment topic. I'm going to go ahead and click into this blank quiz, and it's going to open up a Google form for me. And then I'm going to walk through the steps of what I would do to create a form. So where it says blank quiz, I'm going to name it general knowledge. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my questions. So my first question is going to be, from which language is the word ketchup derived? And I'm going to give my options for this. So let's say English, Latin, Chinese, and French. It notices, since I'm giving multiple options, that it wants to create it as a multiple choice. And I can also change my answer key right here, and I can make it required. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the answer key, and this is actually Chinese, and I'm going to say how many points I want this for. So I just want this to be a 1-point question, and then I'm going to go back to my edit questions. I'm going to add a new question, so plus, and then it's going to add my new question. And my second question is going to be, what are made and repaired? And I don't know if you noticed, but it changed the type of questions based upon what I'm typing in, by a cobbler. And it gives me paragraph, and I actually want these all to be multiple choice because I'm just keeping this easy. So I'm going to go ahead and put my options in there. So I'm going to say pie, cobblers, shoes, wagons. Once again, I'm going to come down to my answer key and mark the correct answer and give this a point value as well. And I'm going to add one last question so we can really see what this form looks like built out. Last question is going to be, what country in Europe has the largest population? And once again, giving us some options: Germany, Russia, Sweden, Italy. Going to my answer key, choosing the correct answer, and giving me my point value as well. Okay, so I've built out my form, and I can come back into my assignment, and it gives me the options of whether I want grade importing turned on and off, and then I can assign this. I'm going to go ahead and click assign. And now it builds that general knowledge quiz. It's going ahead and it's adding that. So when students come in here, this is what it's going to look like for them to be able to answer that quiz real quickly.